how to set screen recordings to record media sound only on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then we scroll down and tap on screenshots and screen recordings. In here, you want to scroll down to the screen recordings section. Then tap on record sound. And from the pop-up, if you want to record only media sound, tap on media. If you want to record both media and microphone, you could select that as well, but for the purpose of this video, we want to select only media sound. Sometimes we don't want to record any sound coming from the microphone. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.